Tyler, I've been thinking about the schedule. This is the same thing that you have that I laminated on the green poster board and that you were going to go by. This is something that I've been thinking about and I want to propose to you. We can keep this schedule just like it is. The kids are used to it. However, it's all broken up and seems to be, it doesn't flow very well. So here's a new schedule that I'm working on that I wanted you to take a look at. The highlighted areas in the pink, this is our most critical part of instruction. My thinking is if we can keep it together and keep it flowing, it's going to make more sense to the students and it's going to be easier for you to follow. So it's all put together in order, flowing like it is organized on the back cabinet with all your containers with your materials for the week. So here's what it would look like. Basically the same things, I've just stacked them together. So at 8 to 8:15, of course, you come in and you do your good things. 8 to 8:15 be your vocabulary. That's going to be whole group. And during this time on Friday, you're going to do your basic fact assessments, and this is going to be a daily grade. 8:15 to 8:45, this is your fundamental skills, giving you 30 minutes. We'll do word work warm-up, which takes 5 minutes. Phonological awareness and Haggerty, 5 minutes. We really need 10, so I'm going to try and fix this somehow. Maybe we take 5 minutes from this. Then you have your phonics and your spelling. The only problem that I see during this time is when, let's look back up here, is when these kiddos here from 8:20 to 8:50 are being pulled out. So from 8:20 to 8:50, those kiddos, those Title I students, are missing this instruction. But that's really not a problem because these are some of the same activities that you would be doing in a small group with them. So my thinking is we just reteach this over here when they get back, because this is what they're going to be needing in small groups anyway, and it'll be reinforced, and you can reinforce it during Bearcat time. That's just something I wanted you to think about. From 8:45 to 9:45 gives us 60 minutes. We have a mini lesson. Then we break up into daily 5. While the students are in daily 5, you get a small group going, and you get your small groups and your guided reading done at the table. After 15 minutes, you break into another mini lesson that lasts about 10 minutes. So your mini lessons are about 10 minutes apiece, 5 to 10. Nope, we're going to do this. 5-minute mini lesson. 15-minute guided reading. 5-minute mini. 10 here. And 10 here, which gives you 10, 20. We'll work on the timing here. We've got 60 minutes to work with. 5, 20. Okay, this will work. So during daily 5, the kids are doing coming to you for small groups. Now, writing, originally we had 30 minutes. I cut 5 minutes out to give time for over here. So this is whole group, and independent practice. For Writer's Workshop. Then they come over to 10:10 to 10:50 is your Bearcat time, which is 30 minutes, but I have found an extra 10 minutes between here and here, so this really gives you 40 minutes, which my thinking would be after Bearcat time, 30 minutes of Bearcat time, then you have extra 10 minutes for reteach. So while you're reteaching, the other students that you're not reteaching can get started on their math basic facts. So they'll have their math basic facts on the table, leave it there, go to recess, come back and pick up the basic facts and continue working. 10 minutes here, so that gives you 20 minutes basic facts and practice. Then they go to lunch. When you come back, then you finish the rest of your math, your skills, and your problem solving and your activities. 70 minutes for that. When they go to specials, you come back and you've got a lot of time really for science and social studies. 55 minutes, which you don't really need that much time. So, if you need extra time to finish up work, you can do that. Your pack-up time is here. But let's look down here. I've put down here, so on Friday during this time, this is when you're going to do your basic fact assessment. On Thursday during this time, towards the end, you'll have to find time to do a spelling pretest on Thursday. On Friday, you have a reading test during this time. Here's your course on doing your math during this time. On Mondays, you'll do activity 1, Tuesday 2, and so forth. On Thursday, you'll need to take this activity 4 right here, and you'll need to take that grade. That will be a daily grade, and it should be 4 AB. And also the TESF assessment will need to be done on Friday. Here's your schedule for specials right here. On Monday, you have STEAM Lab during your science time. So you won't do science or social studies on that day. And on Thursday, during this time, you have your extra computer. So you're really going to have to be you're going to have to plan this very strategically in order to get everything, because you are missing really a couple of days within this week to do your science and social studies. So maybe you can bring some of it over into the packing time. If we can get this, 20 minutes is a long time to pack up, so we can actually gain maybe 5 or 10 minutes over here for science and social studies. That's why I extended it. So that is the schedule that I'm proposing that we use. Take a look at it. It's your class. I'll let you choose if you want to keep it like it is. That works well. But if you want to try this, which I think would flow better, be easier for the students, that's your option. If you will email me after you watch this video and let me know which one, then I will go up sometime today, if you get the email in time, and sort of work through this and get some of your stuff in your room ready. So let me know as soon as you can. Thank you. We're glad you're on board, and we're here to help you. Just breathe. It's going to be a great week. One thing, we have an assembly at 10 o'clock on Monday, your first day full teaching. So that will be during this time. So we will not have Bearcat time on Monday.